Jasmy by and large acquired roughly 4.08% inside the truly most recent 24 hours in an essentially enormous manner. The EMA 50 generally is presently at $0.007. 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin really is floating at $87,003,429, which explicitly is very huge. Jasmy really has its next opposition at $0.006, all things considered, in spite of prevalent thinking. 04 October 2023, in this video we will sort of walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for in every practical sense, 1 week from now, and certainly attempt to answer these habitually in every practical sense, got clarification on pressing issues, facts, what for the most part is essentially transient cost expectation for Jasmy coin, generally is Jasmy and in every practical sense. Wise interest in an extremely significant manner. Jasmy coin support and obstruction levels and so on, which generally shows that 04 October 2023, in this video, we will really walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for kind of the following week, and essentially attempt to answer these regularly fundamentally clarified some pressing issues, facts. What especially is in every practical sense, transient cost expectation for Jasmy coin, most certainly is Jasmy of very wise interest in a fundamentally large manner. Yet, prior to plunging fundamentally profound into the Jasmy specialized investigation, in a real sense let us basically discuss the sort of current economic situations, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Market investigation over the truly last 24 hours, there for the most part was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the whole digital money market to $1,087,907,108,321, or so they basically thought. The all-out exchanging volume especially remains at $29,446,905,696 in a very huge manner. Bitcoin shares 49.64% of the entry market, while Ethereum by and large has a predominance of 16.33%, or so they especially thought. Which fundamentally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,690.23 level after a vertical development of 1.39%. Which in a real sense is very critical. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum sort of has seen a value lessening of 0.41%, coming to $1,643.44 during the past 24 hours, which really is very huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.29, following a value change of 0.08% inside a similar time period, which especially is very critical. XRP, the very local coin of XRP, generally is up by 3.63 and presently exchanging at 53 cents, which really is genuinely critical. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in a very enormous way. These occasions fundamentally demonstrate that the market sort of is going in an especially descending course for kind of present moment, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Right now, an essentially broad quite regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting how Bitcoin shares 49.64% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a strength of 16.33%, or so they truly thought. Jasmy coin backing and opposition backing and obstruction truly are significant specialized markers used to recognize genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in an extremely significant way. Support in every way that really matters is a level at which purchasers basically become kind of more sort of dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, sort of additional appearance, how 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin all things considered is floating at $87,003,429, or so they most certainly thought. Similarly, obstruction explicitly is a level at which dealers fundamentally become move truly dynamic and in every practical sense, prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, most certainly further appearance how right now, an essentially broad truly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market. Showing how Bitcoin shares 49.64% of the entry market while Ethereum in a real sense has a strength of 16.33%. Following in a real sense are the help and obstruction levels of Jasmy coin, Jasmy coin execution. The exceptionally current Jasmy coin cost for the most part is $0.007, with an exchanging volume of $87,003,429 in the genuinely beyond 24 hours, which basically is very huge. Presently, Jasmy truly is up by 4.08% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $341,029,565 United States dollars, exhibiting how Jasmy basically has its sort of next obstruction at $0.006, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Jasmy coin value examination. Jasmy cost investigation for 04 October 2023 inside a day-to-day time span truly made sense of beneath, which basically shows that the all-out exchanging volume basically remains at $29,446,905,696 in an especially significant manner. We utilize especially relative strength index RSI, moving extremely normal union and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including genuinely straightforward moving genuinely normal, SMA, and dramatic moving most certainly normal, EMA, to in a real sense, break down the future development of the Jasmy coin. Exhibiting how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum fundamentally has seen a value reduction of 0.41%, coming to $1,643.44 during the past 24 hours, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. The MACD line in every way that really matters is remaining beneath of the kind of sine line after a hybrid, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Jasmy coin financial backers need to explicitly sit tight for any directional change over the essentially day-to-day outline, which by and that's what large shows Jasmy especially has its genuinely next opposition at $0.006, or so they especially thought. The truly relative strength record, RSI, for Jasmy coin especially is at present floating at 19 for 14 days especially normal line, which explicitly implies Jasmy in a real sense is in oversold zone, and a pattern kind of inversion certainly is conceivable. Pretty further appearance how support essentially is a level at which purchasers especially become most certainly more truly dynamic and all things considered, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, sort of additional appearance, how 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin fundamentally is drifting at $87,003,429, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. While Jasmy's Williams % R marker certainly is at 77.222 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange, certainly signaled by and large is truly conceivable at this reach, showing how Jasmy generally has its really next opposition at $0.006 in an unobtrusive manner. Ends as per our specialized examination information, the fundamentally momentary conjecture for the Jasmy coin cost basically is for the most part bullish at the hour of compassing, exhibiting what explicitly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,690.23 level after a vertical development of 1.39%, which basically is very critical. The digital money Jasmy coin appears to explicitly be on the ascent once more, showing that market examination over the especially last 24 hours, there especially was a destruction of